warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to say thank you for coming to our presentation. It's great to see you all. Let me introduce Group 2 and the members. Arnilna Muropiah Hamidah, Nur Aini Mahfud, Berliana Putri Andarino, Fitria, and Muhammad Rudi Effendi. We will presentation about the effect of extreme environment to the plant.
On the concept of the disease triangle, there are three aspects involved, namely the pathogen, the host plant, and the supporting environment. So it seems clear that climate as a physical environmental factor against pathogen can affect the pathogen life cycle, virulence, transmission, and pathogen reproduction. Jarrett et al. State the climate change affect disease through its effect at the genome, cellular, plant physiological processes, and pathogen. These are some examples of extreme environmental which can damage a plant. For the first time is strong wind. Strong wind affect the pollination process and reduce the presence of insect pollinators, causing the cross-pollination. Strong wind can cause damage to plant and can spread pests and diseases such as fungi and increase injury to host plant. For example, rice and corn in the field collapsed, apple fell, and were damaged before harvest time. And then how to fix the effect? Number 1. Planting of similar plant to prevent cross-pollination. Number 2. Controlling pests and disease. Number 3. Plant windbreak trees. And number 4. Environmental management, so that wind only lead to cultivation.
Water is really needed by plants. One of them is from the rainy season. The long rainy season causes increased humidity, which will make plant disease easy to breed. And low sunlight in the long rainy season will have impact on crop quality. Continuous rain in high intensity will wash away the fertilizer on the plant. Even there is a flood on agricultural land, the plants will wither, be damaged, rotten, and will die from because some of body is submerged in the water, or even washed away with the floods. For example, rice in rice field, when it is hit by a flood, the rice plant will fall down and drop because part of its body is submerged in the water. This can result in crop failure. There are two ways to deal with flood-affected agricultural land, namely by handling before the rainy season and handling during and after the rainy season. First, before the rainy season, you can adjust planting period, improve agricultural and irrigation infrastructure, such as making a good water channels. Second, during and after the rainy season, it can be done by controlling the water channels in the rice field so that the water is not excessive, clean agricultural land affected by flooding, and restore soil pH, and provide fertilizer to the plants that are still alive if they are attacked by post-flood disease.
An optimum temperature and humidity change. Temperature affects the synthesis of secondary metabolic compounds that affect plant resistance to pests. Plant growth is also greatly influenced by humidity. The more humid climate, the faster the disease will develop, such as fungi. For example, the development of the armyworm population that attacks onion plants. The attack of armyworm will be higher in the dry season. The caterpillar causes the leaf to become hollow and dropping and then can eat the tubers too. How to fix the effect? 1. Making greenhouse in agriculture can inhibit the spread of pests and plant disease due to high temperature. 2. Biological control with the antivirus as a biological insecticide to control onion caterpillars. 3. Control of technical culture through sanitation, soil processing, water treatment, spacing, and use of resistant plants.
El Nino. El Nino is a natural phenomenon that causes reduced rainfall, resulting in a very dry season. Plants during drought will experience a lack of water and hinder the production process of plant and the production of these plants. Plant parts such as the tops of the stems, leaf branches shrink and become withered and shrivel and dry. For example, on tomato plants, whose leaves are dry and shrivel, and the fruit is rotting and dry. How to fix the effect? Number 1. Create a water reserve storage and can be used for fill water supply in the dry season. Number 2. Doing enough irrigation for garden or fields during the dry season. Number 3. During the dry season, watering is done in the morning.
La Nina. La Nina is an extreme environment because it is a phenomenon that causes heat and prolonged rainfall. This condition can cause damage to plants due to excess water supply. Because of the high rainfall, the plants will be susceptible to disease and experience rot because the soil is always wet and most so that the plants are susceptible to disease and most so that the plants are susceptible to fungi. As a result of the fungi attack, the plants will be there that will crop failure and death. For example, chill plants during heavy rainfall experience stem rot and are attacked by pests disease. Next, how to fix the effects. Apply a crop lotion plants with crops other than the same family. Increase soil pH by liming. Applying proper and balanced fertilization, especially the need for the elemental potassium. Spraying pesticides immediately after the onset of the disease. Spraying fungicides appropriately at both dose and time. That is all presentation for us. If there is mistake, we are apologize. Thank you very much.